When you buy property with someone else, the legal structure you choose matters. Let's compare joint tenancy and tenancy in common. Ownership structure defines who gets the property if someone passes away and how you can sell your share. Joint tenancy includes the right of survivorship, meaning the surviving owner automatically gets the deceased's share. Tenancy in common allows for unequal ownership and inheritance. While joint tenancy demands equal splits, tenants in common can own varying percentages of the property, offering more flexibility for investors. Joint tenancy is often the go-to for married couples who want to ensure the surviving partner retains full ownership without a lengthy legal process. Tenancy in common is usually preferred by business partners or investors who want to designate their own heirs for their specific portion of the property. Remember that in a joint tenancy, the last surviving owner eventually holds the entire property, regardless of what a will might say. Always speak with a qualified professional before finalizing your deed. Once it is recorded, changing the structure can be costly and complex. Thanks for watching. Understanding your title options protects your legacy. Save this video for your planning session and subscribe for more.